guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we're going to have a look at Lucy Cavendish. This one is Secrets of the Witch. You have your very own witch to help you. So, there's a picture on the front. Wonderful witch picture. Open it up, and here the cards are inside like this. For witchy guidance, where they were published, etc. I bought mine from thepsychictree.com. So they all have the pentagram, the traditional pentagram. Very good quality cards. Love is magic. The witch is sending you the purest of magic of all. Love. Universal life force. Sweet, magical love is flowing through you. Every smile, every kiss is a blessing from the holiest of sources. Brigid's brightness, or Bridget, however you want to pronounce it. The witch has made an offering to Goddess Bridget on your behalf. Let the fresh green energy of Bridget arise within you. Feel yourself and your world bloom and grow. A witch alone. Solitary witches enjoy freedom and independence. They work at their own pace in alignment with their own desires. Today, the witch sends you the inner strength, stillness, wisdom, and liberty to stand alone. So, those are our wonderful witchy cards. Interesting. I like how they're little messages of witchiness, you know, that's kind of cool. That's my dog, you can hear. My baby Storm. She's just woken up and she's going to nosy at what Mum is doing. It's like, what are you doing, Mum? Yes, I know, baby. I'm right here. Now she's going to bark at me, see. And this is another Lucy Cavendish, and this is the Dragon Magic one. It's like the same. Good girl. She's laid down at the side of me. So it's the same style of box, as you can see. Different colours, obviously. Same designer. Here we have little Dragon Magic to connect with the dragons. And obviously here, that's the back of the card, which is a lovely little dragon on there. The colour's nice, cream and red, goldy cream and red. I like that. So, a flick of the tail. We are forewarning you of an important event, human child. Stay aware and trust the signs. We are sending. Believe your own wise instincts. They are correct. We are with you. Dragon treasure. We dragons have treasure which we guard with ferocity. We are also generous, and now we transfer some of our own treasure to you. it shall come to you in mysterious ways. Dragon peace. We dragons roar, cracking open the doors between worlds. But we need quiet, within which we listen. Now it is time for you to be still and listen. The silence has much to teach you. That's my puppy having a drink of her water. And those are the 2 packs from Lucy Cavendish, The Dragon Magic and The Secrets of the Witch. So yeah, they're both very nice and they're both good quality. Sorry about the doggy. She's thirsty all of a sudden. Are you, sweetheart? There's 2 bowls of water, and instead of just drinking from one, she goes to both of them, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure whether she wants to see if one's different, or I don't know. But she drinks from both. So yeah, those are those 2 packs of cards. Very nice indeed. I do like those. I like the size of them as well and how they can be used daily, or obviously you can use them with readings also, depending on what you want. So yeah, thank you for watching and many blessings.